How to make keto cheesy bacon ranch chicken. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 4 sliced bacon, 200-gram green cabbage, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 10-ounce boneless, skinless chicken thighs, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon dried parsley, 3/4 teaspoon dried dill, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon onion powder, 3/4 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons fresh chives, chopped. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. Season chicken with salt and pepper. 2. Cook bacon using olive oil in a frying pan, until crispy. Remove bacon from pan and degrease over paper towels. 3. Cook the cabbage in the same frying pan with the bacon fat in it. Season with salt and pepper. Cook for about 10 minutes or until soft. 4. In a frying pan over medium heat, cook the chicken using olive oil, until golden brown, about 8 minutes per side. 5. Season the chicken with parsley, dill, garlic powder, onion powder, and shredded mozzarella cheese. Remove from heat once the mozzarella cheese has melted. 6. Chop the bacon slices into bite-sized pieces. Top the chicken with chives and the bacon. 7. Serve the chicken over the cabbage. And enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of keto cheesy bacon ranch chicken. Each serving comes out to be 390 calories, 30.8 grams fat, 2.7 grams net carbs, and 25 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.